All right, guys, in this video, we're going to be looking at example 9. In example 9, we're finding the sum of the first 20 terms of the geometric sequence given. Make sure you write that sequence down so that you have it in your notes. Make sure you also write down what the instructions are to do so that you know it's going to be the first 20 terms. So the first thing we're going to do is actually, we know what the first term is. It's going to be 7. Now we're going to find the common ratio. In other words, what do I multiply by to get from one term to the next? And I can use my calculator to do this. 14 divided by 7 is 2. So we're multiplying by 2. And 28 divided by 14, also 2. And we can find that we multiply by 2 the whole way down. So A sub 1 is going to be 7. And R is going to be 2. Now we have this equation for the sum of the geometric series. And it's S sub n equals A sub 1 times 1 minus R to the n over 1 minus R. And we're going to go ahead and plug in the things that we know. First of all, we know that the value of n is going to be 20. We want the first 20 terms. Our value of A sub 1 is 7. And then we'll have 1 minus the R, which is 2, raised to the n, which is 20, all over 1 minus R, which is 2. Again, I can't do this in my head. I'm not going to do it on paper. I'm going to come straight over here to Desmos, and I'm going to put it in exactly the way that it's written here. It's super easy to put it in. And then that's going to give me my solution, which I can then come over and write down. So that was 7,340,025. So that's going to be our final solution. So guys, again, with this equation and with Desmos, these problems should be pretty easy to do. Now your turn, so go ahead and try it with these terms. And if you have any questions, let's talk in class.